Hey guys, hi, this is Karl. And thanks for the great attendance this Wednesday. Um, Unfortunately, due to the massive attendance, I was cut out of some presentations I wanted to hold, and I want to use the the momentum to show a little bit of what we're trying to talk about. Um, Happy to get involved with all of you and to work on a couple of those issues. And one thing we're tackling here in the MDC is getting modular data centers up to spec for OCP Ready certifications. And that's what I wanted to talk to you quickly about. So, who am I? I'm Karl. I'm project lead at colocation.green North Tech. Um, we do a couple of things. Um, I'm talking to you because I have founded a couple of data center companies, WinCloud1, WinCloud2, and now we're getting ready for colocation.green to ramp up. Colocation.green will be placed in a wind farm. You see it here in the background. Foundations are ready, and we also want to have OCP modules in there. We wanted to become an OCP colocation solution provider. To become that, you need to be OCP ready, as I'm sure you are all aware. And Mark Dancy highlighted that the current OCP specification is solely focusing on facilities. It is not possible to get a modular data center OCP ready certified unless it's in a building. Um, so we thought about this back and forth, talked about it, and it seemed a good idea to start certification on this. So the OCP Ready, what does it cover? Basically, it moves an OCP rack throughout a data center. So there is how do you get access to the data center? Is there enough loading? Is there enough electricity? Is there enough cooling? What's the floor requirements? What's the door requirements? Can you roll an V2 rack through a data center into a final location, and can it be run there? That's basically what this is all about. What is focusing on. Modular data centers obviously are a bit different story. So how do we get this ready? This is the 300 kilowatt Swedish module specification in real life, as I've made aware of. So obviously this has all the same issues. There are doors, there is loading, and steps and whatnot on how to use this. um, there are supply lines into it, there's cooling, there's electricity, all the good stuff. But as you see here, there is foundations for the module, there is external environment, fences, and all those things. So if you look at a module, we have not only the module itself, obviously, we also need space for transformers, gensets, cooling equipment, and we need space for a crane, proper crane space to unload it and to build it up. This needs to be prepared. So the Edge certification is looking basically into the surrounding, which still belongs to the data center, which is still, in a proper zone concept within the fencing, in the first zone. So how is the first zone basically conceptualized for modular data center? Is this close to a facility? Is this in a facility? What things are we need to look at to say, okay, this modular data center is proper equipped to be OCP ready here. Is there something else to consider? These are very specific use cases from Rittal and an HPC air-cooled modular data center from, I believe, Automation in Belgium. So modular data centers, due to its size and standards, it can be moved fairly easy. It can be stacked. It can be put underground. It can be overground. Maybe you can put it flying. I don't know. More of an open question is Spark. what else do we need to consider to get this ready and useful for all of those. So there are a couple of use cases, and we want to make sure that's universal and flexible enough to fit all those use cases and to get a modular data center up and running on any site and still be able to have OCP equipment in it and have it OCP ready and make it and get more co-location solution providers on board for this. So we have documents for this already, which I'm happy to share next time. This should be just a quick spark about what we're trying to do. And there's a working document as well, which we are continually working on. Mark has put effort in, I myself, and I'm basically, yeah, this is the call to action to get you guys involved. Would be loving, I'm doing this for myself, but I'm just one, operator or manufacturer whatsoever. All sorts of hats I had. So we would really love to have, the feedback and insights of other modular data center operators, what else they should include to have all those use cases from, AI, 5G up and running and ready, so we can get this Edge certification ready in Q1 2021. Again, the Open Compute links for computer to contribute, the project wiki, and you've all been made aware of the mailing list. So happy to get your insights, and talk to you soon. Bye bye. Have a good weekend. Thanks.